Good afternoon, everybody. This is the Nemesis Coop with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your license plate lights, mainly because I got pulled over for them being red. Finally, took long enough. Yeah, so they have to be OEM spec, so white light only. I'm probably just gonna get some LED white ones in there at some point, but for now, I'm just going to replace them with the originals because, yeah, because I got that. So luckily, I didn't get a fine or a ticket or anything. Basically, what you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver to pop these little guys out, and possibly needle nose pliers, but I don't really think that I'm going to need those. Oh, and you will need a Phillips head screwdriver to get this little guy off, if I can even pop the cap. So basically there's a Phillips screw, or two of them, holding this in. You have to take that off, and you have to take this whole cover off just to get to the plate lights. You cannot pry on these, otherwise they will break. They are glued on, and you have to get to the plate lights from the inside of the trunk. So let's get started. All right, so there are 9 little tabs in total. I already got a couple of them out. This one seems to be the difficult one. So I'm going to use L pliers. See? Good enough. And then basically just keep going around all of them with your screwdriver and popping all of them out. And then use obviously the needle nose pliers to pry them out if you can't get them out with the screwdriver. Now once you have all 9 of those little tabs out, what you're going to want to do is take your flathead screwdriver and jam it right there. Pry that little guy off very delicately, because that is very thin plastic, kind of like that, yeah. All right, now once you have the 2 screws out of this, you don't need to remove this at all, like from the liner. The whole liner should come down by itself with that attached. So you don't have to pull that off. Getting it out isn't that hard of a challenge, but putting the liner back in is kind of a pain in the ass. So there's that. Now your license plate lights are going to be there and there. So what you're going to want to do is, you don't have to unplug anything, literally just twist it lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So twist it to the left like that, and then pull them out like that. And that. And then that's pretty much it. Just pop the lights out and pop your new ones in.
This is extremely hard to do with just one hand. There you go. There's one. And before you put everything back together, make sure they work, because you'll have to do all of that bullshit all over again, and it's kind of stupid and tedious, but definitely check them to make sure that they work before you put everything back together.
And as you can see, they both work. So we are all good. Now basically just put everything back together and reverse the steps, and you are good to go.